Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so today's a different day. Obviously you can see I'm not wearing any makeup. Today's gonna be a little rough, but whatever. Today's video, this is pretty much gonna be my whole skincare routine down in like a timeline, pretty much, of like in step chronological order of how I do it. So I am a cosmetologist, so the things that I do for my skincare routine is pretty much a little mini identical version of a facial, like an actual facial that you give out, minus like all the craziness and whatever. So starting off, let's say you have a long day of work and you have all your makeup on and you're ready just to wind down and do your skincare routine. So first, obviously you have your makeup, so you're gonna have to cleanse your face. Now before I actually get into everything, I first want to say, don't judge me, okay? Like I have a little backup, like a little history on my skin. I have pretty clear skin. I don't have crazy oily, dry, like acne, eczema, big pores. I don't have all that. Thank you. Luckily I have pretty just normal skin. I mean, I'll have my pimples here and there. Not all pimples are acne. There's some that are hormonal, there's some that are from like your diet, some from your like just like dirt from like touching your face and everything. So I mean, once in a blue moon I will get a pimple, but other than that, it's nothing crazy. So what I mean by don't judge me is a lot of my stuff that I use on my face probably aren't the best out there, but it does the job for me, so whatever. So going back to what I was saying about the whole cleansing, there's two parts of cleansing that you want to do from like beginning of having makeup on your face. You're gonna want to remove all the makeup off. So I just go in basically with just a makeup wipe. You can use any makeup wipe. I don't have a specific brand that I use. If it's a makeup wipe, I will use it, like whatever. So use makeup wipe, go ahead and use that to remove all the makeup, get majority of it off as much as you can. And then after that, you're gonna go into more of the cleansing with a cleanser. I go back and forth between two different cleansers. I have a Pixi Rose Cream Cleanser, and this is what it looked like. This is more on the thicker side, I feel. It definitely does like moisturize my skin along with cleansing, which I think is pretty cool. But whenever I want just a lightweight, hurry up cleansing my skin kind of thing, I do use Cetaphil sensitive skin cleanser. I like it because it's just super light and it's just like kind of like it gets the job done. All right, you're gonna go ahead and exfoliate. So exfoliator is pretty much is another step of the whole cleansing, but also really just getting in more deeper. It's kind of like cleaning a whole other level of your face, like a whole other layer of skin. Most exfoliators have like these like seed things inside of them. Those are made to pretty much scrape off the dead skin and everything that's on your face. I use a Promise Organic Coconut Milk Daily Facial Scrub. That's what that looks like. I got this from Ipsy. I used to subscribe to Ipsy for a couple years, and they would always send me stuff specifically for facials and for my face. And so I've just kind of used it, and I really like this one. Like I'm like debating on getting like the really big version of this because it works really good. So after you're done exfoliating, you're gonna want to damp your face. You have done a lot of cleansing and a lot of stripping of your face at this point. So get a towel and dab it into your face, you know, tell it it's okay. And you're gonna go into your mask. So there's two different types of mask that you can do. There's a clay mask and there's a sheet mask. Obviously there's probably other names for it, but those are the names that I know. The clay mask, what I'm gonna go into detail, this is just one of the ones I have. I really recommend, if you are doing a clay mask, to buy a brush like this. This is pretty much like a basic foundation brush to help, because it like kind of like stamps it and spreads it. You want to do your clay mask as thin as possible, but enough to where there's actual product on your face. The thicker it is, the longer it takes to dry, and there is a time on these, so you don't want to put too much on. For a sheet mask, I have a few actually. I have a lot, to be honest. Like that bag was full of face masks, to be honest with you. So face masks, they all have different types of ones that you need. There's the charcoal, there is brightening, there's highlighting, kind of different ones, honestly. So it just all depends on what you feel like your skin is lacking. Then you need to pick the correct one to go to your skin. So with sheet mask, I really recommend, if you put them on, leave them on for the desired time on the back of the label, and then when you're done with it, take it off, and whatever the formula is left on your skin, rub it in your skin. It will eventually kind of dry with it on, but use whatever residues on your skin to rub it into it so that it soaks up as much of the product as it possibly can. I really recommend you guys, when you guys are doing your skincare routine, like I said before, my skin's not bad, so I don't do this all the time. I will wash my face here and there throughout the week, but like the whole skincare routine, I do that like probably once a week, if that. Really take this time to be me time, you know, like when you have your face mask on, they will not work to the best of it, the best quality as possible if you're running around doing stuff, talking to people, because then the clay will start, you know, cracking and it won't dry correctly, and it's just like a whole hot mess. And I really do recommend you just to go in your room, close the door, dim the light, put a soft song on, and just really relax and just taking that time to yourself. You know, you deserve it. Continuing with the face mask, the last 5 minutes of the face mask that I'm supposed to keep on, I do a lip scrub. This is my lip scrub. I don't know what the brand, you guys, like I said, I got a lot of stuff from Ipsy. That's what it kind of looks like on the inside. It's pretty much like this rough stuff. I got a coffee scrub. So you pretty much just get a little bit, put on your lips, scrub it, and allow it to sit on your lips for about 5 minutes. It's supposed to just really exfoliate your lips, get that whole layer of dead skin, all of that build up from your lipstick, your lip gloss, your chapsticks throughout the week, and just scrape it off your skin. After you're done with your mask, after washing it all off, you're gonna go ahead and damp your face again with the towel and make sure it's pretty dry. You're gonna go in with toner. I love toner. I don't know why I love toner so much, but toner is like probably my favorite thing about the facial like routine. I use the Pixi Glow Tonic one. I don't know why I like it so much. I think it's because it just makes me feel like everything's even, and that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to gently exfoliate once again, and it's supposed to really just even out your blemishes and really just make everything more to life and more of a glowy look. And what girl doesn't like to look like she's glowing? So I love it. Pretty much your last step is your moisturizer. I have two moisturizers that I'm going through right now that I love so much. This one is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I believe it's from Sol. I don't know if it's pronounced Sol or SOL. I don't know these brands. My uncle gave it to me, or my sister gave it to me. This one's glassy. I used this in my last video. I love this before makeup and when I plan on wearing makeup for the day, because it leaves like a glow behind, and I love it. This smells, it smells bomb, and it just is super moisturizing to my skin. That's also a time too where you can add any serums that you want. I just got the serum. It's a bone mimicking peptides serum. I don't know. Some people use them, some people don't. I don't really. I'm just trying it. I don't know how I feel about it yet. But this is all around the time where you would want to use your serums that you have. And then I also super recommend you guys to get a roller. I have the Jade roller, Greenstone, I don't know. I believe like it had said like the Jade one is for healing. So pretty much the rollers are meant to, I mean, you put your moisturizer on and then you kind of just roll it on your face, always in an upward motion. It's supposed to reduce inflammation, tighten skin, remove blemishes. There's some other stuff to this. The green one I believe was healing, so it's also supposed to heal, like it's like some yeah, healing. I put mine in the freezer because it feels so good after after all this stuff. Your skin's gonna kind of feel warm. It feels so good after having it in the freezer. I put it in a little Ziploc bag and I put it in the freezer, allow it to get cold, and then wow, so bomb. I'm not gonna show that. That's too nice to throw. But okay, guys, that is pretty much it. Honestly, that is my whole skincare routine. Like I said, maybe some of these products won't fit your skin, but they do the trick for me. I definitely say, as a healthy tip to clear skin, is drink lots of water. Drink lots and lots of water. Pretty much all I drink is water, and it is amazing, and I freaking love it. And water, and pray to the Lord for clear skin. Like, that's all you can do pretty much. But yeah, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I will have everything in the description box of how to get a hold of me, and ask me questions about what you think I can let, I mean, I'll do my research. Honestly, that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to be blunt, honest, and helpful. So I really do want to help. If you have questions about different products and different types of skin types, I would love to help. You guys, I'm so excited, and I'll see you guys soon.